So we will discuss here combination of capacitors. Okay, capacitors, if more than one capacitor are connected, then either they will connect in series or in parallel. So in series, just like resistance, when we connect resistance in series. So what happen? Which quantity remains same? So charge flowing through capacitor, that will remain same and potential will divide. So you can see in this diagram that positive plate of capacitor, this is connected to source, and negative plate of this capacitor is connected to positive plate of second capacitor. Then again second plate, negative plate of capacitor, second capacitor is connected to positive plate of third capacitor, and negative plate again connected to potential. So potential divide, so we can say that V1 equal to C1 is the capacitance of this, V1 is this, and Q1 is the charge, not Q1, charge remains same in series. So Q charge इस पर होगा C1 पर, Q C2 पर and QE C3. So we can write here V1 equal to Q upon C1. Okay, C equal to Q upon V. Similarly, V2 equal to Q upon C2 and V3 equal to Q upon C3. Because potential difference divide here, therefore the applied potential difference will be equal to V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So we can write here V equal to Q upon C. Suppose C equivalent capacitance. So Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. So 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This is the equivalent capacitance in series. This is just opposite to resistance. And we can say the few points in this, that what happened, this capacitance will be less than the capacitance of each capacitor. Okay, equivalent capacitance जो है वो क्या होगा, इन capacitance से कम होगा, because we know the formula 1 upon C equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Potential difference divides and charge remain same, and potential difference across the capacitor whose capacitance is more will be less. V is inversely proportional to C. Okay, now the second, in parallel combination. So what happened in parallel combination? In parallel combination, now positive plate is connected to one end. This is positive plate, this is negative plate, then again this is. Now in parallel combination, you can see all three plates, positive plates are connected to one end and negative plates of capacitor are connected to one common point. Okay, and this is connected to V, potential. Okay, so in this, now what happened, potential across each capacitor remain same, but charge will divide Q1, Q2 and Q3, because to flow the charge there are three paths. So we can say that Q1 equal to C1 into V, Q2 equal to C2 into V, and Q3 equal to C3 into V. Okay, because so total charge that is Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, or CV equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. So C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, so now the equivalent capacitor will be greater than the individual capacitance of a capacitor. Okay, so in this, charge will divide, potential remain same. Potential across each capacitor will remain V. Okay, and Q charge is directly proportional to C. पोटेंशियल तो सेम है लेकिन चार्ज क्या है, डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है किसके, कैपेसिटेंस के. सो इफ़ कैपेसिटेंस इज मोर, चार्ज विल बी मोर.